Hi everybody, so tonight it's not quite going to be a 10-minute dinner because I'm making pecan encrusted pork chops and they take about 20 minutes, but it's super simple. I was able to get my pork chops from Fresh Market already made up with the pecan and panko on them. If you don't have a Fresh Market or a place that could do that for you, then like I said, just get some egg, whip it up, stick the pork chop in some egg, and then into a panko and pecan, chopped pecan combination, and very simple. Now, pork chops, these are some extra lean pork chops, so they have about 380 to 400 calories per pork chop. That's with the breading and the pecan. Some people say that pork is the other white meat. That's strictly a marketing thing. That's not true. Pork is considered a beef type of meat, just so you know. Very important to try to get lean pork chops because they're very good in protein. Each one of these has about 38 to 40 grams of protein, but they can get a little bit fatty depending on the grade that they use. These are done for pork loin type of pork chops, so they're a little less fatty. So I just heard that my air fryer went off, so I'm going to put my little air fryer liner in. These are pretty big pork chops, so I probably won't eat the whole thing. Each pork chop is about a half a pound, and that's a pretty big pork chop, so the calories will probably be a little bit less because of that. And who knows, I might get a lunch out of it. So those are cooking. I have them for 19 minutes on my air fryer. Remember, all the air fryers are different. I could check it. I'll check it about a minute or so before it's done. If I need to add another minute or two, I will. I'm also going to make some French green beans that I bought already in the package. They're Carol family, so I could just steam them right in here. I'm going to pop these into the microwave for about 3 minutes. And in about another 18 minutes, I'll be having a gourmet pecan encrusted pork chop with green beans. Delicious. Excuse me, a little bit higher in calories than I usually have, but once in a while you have to treat yourself, and definitely a little 8 to 10 minutes longer than I usually like to have my meals, but I didn't work today, so I figured what the heck. And it's super easy, especially since they have it all made up. If I didn't get it from them and I was going to make it up myself, I probably would have got them breaded about an hour or so ago, put them in the fridge till I was ready, save some time. Like I said, I usually do this on a day that I either don't work late or that I don't work at all, because they do take a little bit more than 10 minutes. So I hope you all have a good day. I hope you enjoy your dinner as much as we're going to be enjoying ours. Again, delicious. 38 to 40 grams of protein, 380 to 400 calories, but we probably won't eat the whole thing, so not too bad. A little bit higher than the fish that we normally eat, but like I said, you don't want to eat fish every day, because you do need the other minerals and other vitamins from the beef type products, and it gets a little boring, so we don't want anybody bored. This is a lifestyle, stick with it, and I want y'all to have a good night.